What's going on, guys, and thanks for joining me today. We're back out working on the trailer. So due to the time of year with being shorter daylight and colder weather, it's been a little bit harder for us to get more stuff done, but we're still chipping away at it. And today we're starting on the fenders. Need to get them sandblasted and prepped for bondo. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Going to get everything set up outside and start sandblasting these things. So now that we're done sandblasting, the fenders look fantastic. It turned out really well, got all that paint off them nicely. So now, next step is just throwing a light coat of bondo on these and just try to cover up a lot of the imperfections that are in here from us beating out all the major dents and stuff. Just to try to smooth it out some and hopefully make it look really nice when it's all painted and done. We now have the bondo laid down on both fenders and it has had time to dry. So now what I'm just going to do is take my orbital sander on low and I have a 60 grit pad on it, and I'm just gonna take it and knock down all of these really high spots on it, just to kind of smooth that out some. You know, all these parts that are just sticking up and way out there. Just gonna go over it really easy, knock that down, and then we'll come back by hand and work it with 100 grit. All right, I finished sanding both of these fenders, and I think they turned out about as good as I could hope for. They are a lot smoother than they previously were. However, there are some rough spots, a little bit wavy, and that's just because they were dented so bad. And I didn't want to like completely cake these in bondo. So I mean, this one has, you know, a lot of spots filled in, but I didn't really want to go any thicker than I had to. just because that would, you know, that's not what I was going for. But I think it turned out really well. It'll smooth out a lot. And I think, you know, with some primer and paint, that I think it'll still look really good once we get it all painted and done. But that's going to be it for this one. I'm glad with what we got done in this. Next, we have to do the bedsides, get those sanded down, and then move on. So thanks for watching. On your way out, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.